you doing again in front of the camera? I was shooting a video for my channel. Again with this, nobody's interested to watch your channel. Some people might be interested. I mean, it is a new channel, I know, but it is growing. You're weird. I'm out. Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita, and unlike my evil twin sister, some of you actually do take out time to watch my videos. I know it's a new channel, so I'm really grateful, and a big thank you to all of you. So today I come to you with a review of the Malayalam movie Ishq. It is streaming on Amazon Prime. You can catch it there. Actually, this movie released last year, but one of the viewers suggested me to watch this and review it, and I just want to give a shout out to this person. Thank you so much for letting me know about this film, because I absolutely loved it. So without delaying this any further, let's get on with the review. So this is a story revolving around a couple, Sachi and Vasudha, who are very much in love with each other. They want to get married to each other. They're like any other normal couple, you know. For example, they're talking hours and hours and hours on phone at night, you know. We have all done that. So as Vasudha's birthday comes, they both decide to spend the entire day together doing various things like going to the beach, shopping, having coffee, you know, like a normal couple would do. Then at night they decide to go for a long drive and make a stop near a parking lot of a hospital. And this is like about the first 20 to 30 minutes of the film to show, you know, how they are living their lives. So I'm still thinking that, okay, this looks like a normal love story. Why does the subtitle say it is not a love story? And then bam! The movie smacks me with the character of Alvin. He catches them getting cozy in the car and starts recording them on his phone camera, claiming that he's a police officer and he threatens them with jail time. Well, but in reality he's just a jerk who wants to extort some money from them because, well, why not? He harasses them to absolutely no end, and how this event changes the life of these two people, Sachi and Vasu, is the entire storyline of the film. And it is such an important story that I feel needed to be told, and I think every Indian needs to watch this movie because of this. One of the key highlights for me in this movie was the background score. Now, the score has been used so strategically and intelligently in the movie that in between I actually paused the film and checked who actually did the background score. And I found out it was Jakes Bajoy who did the background score for Forensic as well. If you watch my Forensic review, which I will link in the top, I have actually credited the background score separately for it being so well done. And it is the same in this case for the movie. So a large part of the movie does not have the background score. It is mostly the actors talking and the surrounding noise that is happening around them. But when the director wants you to feel some sort of tension or build up or a little grimness, strategically puts the background score there. And that is why I say that it has been used very intelligently in the movie. Okay, now I want to really talk about the performances, because that is the biggest strength of this film. Shane Nigam as Sachi and Sheetal as Vasudha and Shaheen Chappo as Alvin are just so fitting into their roles. I mean, I don't have enough words to describe how beautifully they have brought out their characters. I loved Sachi's arc in the entire story. The way his complete character changed from starting to end because of this event and this harassment that he faced from Alvin is so realistic and perfect that I felt sorry and angered at the same time by him. And that is what happens in reality. You know, when a traumatic event happens to a person, it can go either way. Either you come out as a very strong person, or you come out as a very negative person. And it has been portrayed very realistic by Sachi's character, that, you know, he transforms from this harmless, nice guy to this complete maniac who wants to seek revenge. And this can happen in real life. Vasudha's struggle as a woman who is being constantly judged, ogled at by the society, is a reality that smacks you hard in the face. Her performance feels so close to home, and probably I think so many women would have related to her character. And it's not even funny, it's actually depressing to even think about this, that I could relate to her so much, because it is a reality of our society, unfortunately, that women have to face such kind of harassment on like a daily basis. Anne's performance as Vasudha is absolutely perfect, and I could feel for this character from the starting till the end. But the top spot for the performance goes to Shaheen for portraying Alvin so beautifully. I mean, he made me feel things. made me feel things that not in a good way. He made me feel creeped out and engrossed, and he made me want to hate him so much, which is what you want to do with this character. You want to hate this character, and he has nailed it. I was hating on him so much and literally cringing when he was being a jerk to Sachi and Basu, and that is a testament to his performance. The supporting actors have also done their job very well, but for me, the highlight was Shine. Shine really shined. Oh god, I'm so bad at jokes. I want to say the biggest credit for the writer and the director of the film, Ratish Ravi, who's the writer of the film, and Anurag Manohar, who's the director of the film, for bringing out such a beautiful story to the audience, because it is a very, very important story to be told. Moral policing is not a joke. It is a reality of our country, and unfortunately there are so many couples who face this and go through a very traumatic event. I mean, for me, I think moral policing is just a word. The actual word should be harassment. It is nothing but harassment done to people. So yes, this is a story which was required to be told, and I want every Indian to watch this movie for the relevancy of its story. And I want to really thank the viewer again for recommending me this movie. I recommended it to 10 other people after watching it. So yes, thank you so much again. So yeah, that was my review for the movie Ishq. Please do watch it on Amazon Prime. If you haven't, it is worth the watch. Also, please let me know in the comments below, or you can hit me up on Instagram if you want me to review any other films or series. I would be happy to do so. Keep the suggestions coming, and don't forget to like, comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.